Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to get free Robux in 2024, and all you have to do is to head on over to our Play Store if you have an Android, or Apple Store if you have an iPhone, and search for Fresh Cutting. Make sure that you installed it, and once it is done installing, I'm going to tap on Open. From there, you're going to link your Roblox account with your Fresh Cut, and from here, all you have to do is to participate with the quests that are going to be here. And as you can see, I had already taken mine, which is I heavy grind. I have claimed this, and once you've done that, all you have to do is to head on over to your shop that is here, and you can actually buy some of the Robux with the monies that you have here, as you can see here, but you need to have reached 12,000. The disadvantage about this app is that after every month, it does refresh all its Robux or gift cards. So you have to be checking on your Fresh Cards application daily in order for you not to miss out, because once they have finished refreshing and uploading some new Robux, most of the time it's actually sold out. So make sure that you are in your Roblox and you're checking on your Fresh Cards application daily. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.